Hi everyone, welcome. This is my third tutorial. Um, in this third tutorial, we're going to see about a string. I think we already discussed in our last tutorial itself about a string, but we had just glancing there. But in this tutorial, we're going to see about deeper into the string. Now, just consider what is a string first of all. It's a collection of characters. The collection of characters, we used to say it's a string. And string in Python is when you giving the characters into the single quotes or double quotes. This is we say it's a string. For example, x equal to Jayesh Gam. Okay, now we can check type of x is it's a string. So similar wise I'm doing Jayesh Gam, but at this time I give one in the single quote. So now if we check a type of x is it's also a string. Now the last this I think we see the example x equal to I don't wanna play this game. Now you can see this is my single quote. Until it reaches the second single quotes, it in between words considered as a string. When it's crossed above the single quotes, this is not considered as a string. So now in order to avoid that, we're supposed to use double quotes. So after you use the double quotes, now the entire text will be considered as a string and it will be stored in the variable of x. And now if you type x, the entire string will be printed in there. Now see, you can see the difference. When you're just printing x, the entire string along with the double quotes is printing, but when you're printing the x except the double quotes, the character alone will be printed here. Now I'm having one more different thing. Now I'm taking y equal to, I'm using single quotes, he asking me where are you. So now if you're printing y, it will say he is asking where are you. Now there is no error is throwing. See, inside the single quotes I'm using the double quotes, inside the double quotes I'm using one string, where are you. So this type of strings is acceptable in a Python where this kind of string is negotiable. So now I don't want to play this game, but now I want to play this game with this text. See, we have an option. Some people will be there, they want to print the entire text inside a single quote, so they have one options. Like if you are using a backslash, so now you can see the difference. Now I'm moving the backslash, I'm doing the backslash. So now the text will be printed x equal to I don't want to play this game. Even though we are using a single quotes, even though we are giving a string in a single quotes, now this text is printing. The reason is the backslash is playing the role here. Now I will tell you one more thing. Now print, okay, into the single quote c slash backslash desktop, next line, next video. Okay, this is my path. Now you can see, oh, what is this? Inside the single quotes, whatever character we given, it should be supposed to be print, but now see desktop and ext video alone. The reason is this is a special character for the Python, this is a next line. Okay, it's considered this is a next line. So now, so that's why it's skipping this line, and ext video is printing in a next line. So how can we avoid this? So in order to avoid, we need to use our character before the text. Now I'm printing. Now the entire value it's printing. So now I'm saying to my Python, there is no special characters inside the string, so please don't take it as any special character, just print entire text. Okay, that is the meaning of this R. Okay, so similar wise, see, now I'm having a first Joy, in my second Ganesh. Now I'm concatenating those things, Joy, Ganesh. Okay, now see, now I'm doing a first star 5. So this means the character first will be printed into the 5 times. So if you are giving 2, it will be printed 2 times. So this is the meaning of first star 2. So now you do differently. See, it's throwing a error because we cannot able to square the values. We can multiply it how many times we want, but we cannot able to square the string because it's not a integer. Now let's see the different one. See, now I'm having num equal to 55 and first equal to Jayush. Now I'm concatenating num first plus num. It'll throw it. What it says, cannot concatenate string and integer object, because it's typically impossible to be adding string along with the integer. So what we can do, but I want to print Joy 55. For that we have a method we call first plus. Okay, I'm converting my num into string. Okay, I'm converting my variable into string. Now I'm printing Joyish 55. It's printed. So instead of doing this syntax, I'm having another syntax, num equal to. Initially I said you string in Python is if you're giving any characters or values inside the double quotes, it's considered as a string. Now I'm dealing with the same game, num 55. Now you print first plus num. Obviously it will print. And one more thing, num equal to 55. You can do first plus num. It will print the num. Okay, some people will do like this. Okay, so I hope you can understand a lot in this about string through this tutorial. In my next tutorial I'll be coming with a new concept, so please stay hungry and strive hard for better tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching video. Bye bye, see you.